Now students, we have to see there is here changing in verbs in active and passive voice. There we this one we have to take here. Students, one thing you have to keep in mind. What is that? If we are changing the verbs, then active and passive form shows. Means active and passive form of the verb is especially shows during the change of the verb, and if the verb is not changing its forms, so there would be no passive or active. So we have to see, we can understand through it why only the verb is changing in it, only the verb. Just like what is first example we had taken, the mechanic repaired the computer. What is the mechanic repaired the computer? Repaired the computer. This is given here. So while we change it, this is active form. What is coming? This is active form. And while we change it into next one, what is coming here? The computer was repaired by the mechanic. This is here passive form. What is passive form of the verb? These two changes are here. Students, you have to know, mainly here verb is changing. Mainly here verb is changing here, because here we have taken second form of the verb, but in this we use here what is third form of the verb is used here, and we use helping verbs of the tense. You are looking, this one sentence is of simple past, but while we change it into passive form, we write here the helping verbs of continuous form, past continuous form, and we write this one, what is the computer was repaired. What is a computer? And we write the computer was repaired by the mechanic. In passive form, we are looking here what is change taking place, and we use preposition by to represent this sentence. We use here preposition by to represent this, and we write down this one sentence. Next example also we can take. Somebody means what is the next change what are taking place here. Sometimes we omit out by our preposition. Sometimes this preposition omit out from the sentence. Omit out means we take out, we do not write in a sentence. And in such cases, when we do not write this one, suppose example I am taking here, somebody left the door open. What is? Somebody left the door open. This is given here, and this is active sentence. What is this one? Active. But while we change it into passive voice, what changes we do here? We do here what is the door was left open. The door was left open. We sometimes we do not need to write here in passive voice this preposition by, and we change these sentences into passive voice. Next one also we take here third rule. What is an appropriate form of the verb we was has been used. One thing you have to keep in mind while we change this sentence into passive voice means we form of the verb. We form of the verb we use here. Appropriate we form of the verb. Just like here we are looking door is singular number. We use here was. This is the we form of the verb. If the subject is plural number, object is plural number, we use plural verb here also. Just like the fruits were. The fruits were eaten by the children. By the fruits were eaten by the children. Here we are looking what is coming, the fruits. Plural number this is here. Fruits is plural number. So we write here the fruits were eaten by the children, and in this way we try to understand. Clear students? We will discuss in next rest of the things in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.